Welcome to Deco Home, your ultimate destination for all things home decor and interior design.
In today's video, we're diving into the world of Balinese interior design. Known for its serene and tranquil ambience, Balinese design incorporates natural materials, earthy tones, and a harmonious blend of indoor and outdoor living spaces.
A sleek, modern home featuring expansive glass windows, open concept living spaces, and a rooftop terrace with panoramic views. A coastal retreat with airy, sun-drenched rooms, large bay windows overlooking the ocean, and a spacious deck perfect for enjoying sea breezes. An elegant Mediterranean villa perched on a hillside with terracotta roof tiles, cascading bougainvillea, and sweeping views of the azure sea. Nestled amidst whispering pines, a sanctuary of comfort and charm awaits, where every corner echoes with the warmth of cherished memories. Perched atop rolling hills, a stately abode stands as a beacon of tranquility, offering refuge in its embrace of timeless elegance and understated grandeur. In the heart of the countryside, a rustic retreat awaits, adorned with ivy-clad walls and a cozy hearth, where the passage of time is marked by the gentle rustle of leaves and the soft hum of contentment. Set against a backdrop of majestic mountains, a sanctuary of tranquility unfolds, where the melody of nature serenades every corner, inviting weary souls to find solace in its embrace. Within a picturesque landscape, a home of timeless allure awaits, its graceful architecture harmonizing with nature's palette, offering a haven where cherished memories bloom like flowers in a sunlit garden. Upon a hill, amid swaying trees and perfumed breezes, lies a haven of quiet elegance, where every brick tells a story and every window frames a vista of dreams. Amidst verdant fields and under a sky ablaze with stars, a home stands as a sanctuary of comfort and joy, its walls echoing with laughter and its doors open wide to welcome all who seek refuge from the world outside. An enchanting haven nestled amidst verdant whispers, where each room whispers tales of warmth and serenity. A charming sanctuary where tranquility finds its home, with walls echoing the harmonious symphony of comfort and grace. A rustic retreat where the embrace of nature intertwines with the whispers of home, crafting a haven of timeless allure. A timeless refuge where every nook holds secrets of comfort, and every beam of light whispers tales of warmth and belonging. An idyllic abode where the gentle embrace of serenity intertwines with the echoes of laughter, weaving a tapestry of cherished moments. A charming haven where the melodies of laughter dance with the whispers of comfort, painting a portrait of timeless serenity. A picturesque dwelling where the essence of home intertwines with the tranquility of nature, creating a haven of timeless allure. A charming abode where tranquility and comfort intertwine, crafting a sanctuary where every nook holds the promise of cherished moments. An enchanting haven where the whispers of comfort intertwine with the melody of tranquility, weaving a tapestry of cherished moments. A charming sunlit cottage nestled in a lush garden with ivy-covered walls and a cozy, welcoming porch. Set against a backdrop of rolling hills, a quaint cottage awaits, its cozy nooks and sunlit spaces offering a refuge from the chaos of modern life, where time slows and hearts find peace. A rustic log cabin with a stone fireplace nestled in a serene forest clearing, offering tranquility and picturesque woodland views. A stately brick manor with sweeping verandas surrounded by towering oak trees and meticulously landscaped grounds. A quaint countryside cottage with a thatched roof, flower-filled window boxes, and a charming picket fence encircling a lush garden. A welcoming sanctuary where every corner beckons with whispered promises of comfort, nestled within the embrace of cherished memories. A timeless abode where warmth greets you at the door and memories linger in every corner. A picturesque dwelling where dreams take flight upon the wings of imagination and memories are woven into the very fabric of its walls. An elegant haven where sunlight dances through the windows, painting every room with a gentle glow of serenity and possibility. A haven of tranquil beauty where each room tells a story of comfort and joy, inviting you to create your own chapter of serenity. A stately abode adorned with timeless elegance, where every brick holds the embrace of history, and every window frames a story waiting to unfold. In a quaint neighborhood, a welcoming home beckons with its inviting facade and a promise of cherished moments within, where laughter echoes and dreams take flight. A cozy retreat, where the gentle embrace of home whispers tales of warmth, inviting you to linger and create memories that last a lifetime. Amidst a tapestry of lush gardens, a picturesque dwelling stands as a testament to timeless elegance, where each room tells a story of cherished moments and the beauty of simple pleasures. A cozy refuge, where the whispers of comfort intertwine with the warmth of cherished memories, inviting serenity to embrace every corner. In a quaint village, nestled by a babbling brook, lies a charming abode, its time-worn bricks whispering tales of generations past, while welcoming all who seek respite from the bustling world outside. A tranquil sanctuary, where whispers of comfort mingle with the soft embrace of home, inviting serenity to settle in every corner. Amongst rolling meadows and under vast skies, a dwelling of tranquil beauty stands, its rustic charm a testament to simpler times, inviting all who cross its threshold to embrace the serenity within. A serene retreat where every corner exudes warmth, inviting you to embrace the gentle whispers of comfort and create memories that linger. Tucked away in a corner of the world, a humble abode exudes timeless charm, its weathered facade a canvas for memories yet to be painted, beckoning wanderers to find solace in its embrace. A timeless sanctuary where the echoes of laughter blend with the embrace of comfort, inviting serenity to settle in every nook and cranny.